Hello, my name is Katia Rebecca Sanchez Martinez. I am a student of a preschool normal school Francisca Madera Martinez. Today I am going to describe clothes and action. Carla, what is she wearing? She is wearing brown swimsuit and goggles. What is she doing? She is prepared to swimming in the Olympics. Caroline, what is she wearing? She is wearing a blouse, denim jeans and gray blouse. What is she doing? She is putting clothes. Daphne. She is wearing a yellow cotton blouse and black short skirt. What is she doing? She is doing to her work, but when she is trying a coffee. Trey. What is she wearing? He is wearing a yellow, large T-shirt with a light blue denim jeans and a pair of red shoes. What is he doing? He is talking with a friend. Chat. What is he wearing? He is wearing a dark blue flannel sweater and blue fitted shirt. What is he doing? He is traveling around to the world. Bryce. What is he wearing? He's wearing a gray plastic glasses with a red and dark red layered tee and a formal suit. What is he doing? He's making a new form of teach English. Thank you.